week, we took an exciting journey deep into the Amazon rainforest at Yangfan Preschool. Let's see what we discovered. Our adventure began with the sound of the rainforest. We crafted our very own rain sticks with colorful animal prints. Listen, just like a gentle jungle shower. Look who hopped into our classroom next. The red-eyed tree frog. We learned how their bright green bodies and sticky toe pads make them amazing climbers. Then, it was time to bring them to life with beautiful watercolor paintings. Snakes. We learned how they slither and shed their skin as they grow. Seeing a real snake skin was a huge highlight. Outside, we became snakes ourselves, slithering and balancing along a winding obstacle course. After reading A Color of His Own, we explored the magic of chameleons. With a little shaving cream and primary colors, we helped our chameleons change from yellow to green to purple. It was a fabulously fun and messy way to learn about color mixing. At Yangfan Preschool, we nurture curiosity and build knowledge through hands-on play, creative exploration, and shared discoveries. Join us and let your child's journey begin.